Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Imran. I'm a second MBBS student. So we are going to discuss about the new NMC guidelines released by NMC on its website on 30th July 2021. As a 2018 batch student, I would also add some doubts in this video regarding the points that is mentioned in the PDF released by NMC, starting with the tweet of Honorable Health Minister that in the first half of 2023, the national exit test is being planned to be conducted according to the roadmap made to ensure that its mock run in 2022 is also being planned. So it is now confirmed that 2018 batch would be the first batch to give next exam, and if a mock run in 2022 is also being conducted, then 2017 batch would give the mock test. These are the recently updated points mentioned in NMC guideline available in the NMC website. The first one is that the common final year undergraduate examination to be known as National Exit Test and shall be the basis for admission to postgraduate broad specialty courses in each academic year. Till such time that it is implemented, NEET PG examination shall continue to operate for selection of postgraduate students to broad specialty courses. After reading this statement, it is being mentioned that the common final year undergraduate examination next would be conducted in place of theory final year paper, and there is no mention of practical exams, whether it would be conducted separately or a next would be considered as the practical exam for final year. Now coming to the third point, in order to be eligible for admission to postgraduate courses for an academic year, the candidate should have qualified the national exit test and be eligible to be granted license to practice medical practitioner and for enrollment in state medical register or national medical register as the case may be. So in order to get admission in PG courses, a student must clear both next one and next two. Now coming to the fourth point, which mentioned that the national exit test mark shall remain valid for 3 years from the date the person has become eligible to be granted license to practice as a medical practitioner and for admission in PG courses. But there is no clear-cut information which score would be valid, the best score or the recent score. And they have also given a schedule for PG examinations, that the exam would be conducted on 10th January and there would be counseling, subsequent counseling rounds, and the last date of joining is 31 May. But it's nowhere mentioned that it is for 2016 batch or 2017 batch. Now coming to the conclusion of this video, that there are many points which are not clear cut and students are having many doubts in this. Hope that NMC releases new guidelines, as it was only a draft and we should wait for the final draft so that all our doubts can be cleared. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.